just recording my screen on trading view on EUR JPY. As you can see, I haven't done a trade because I just woke up and looked at the markets that I like to look at. I need to change these at the top because it's not all meant to be AUD SGD. Anyway, so EUR as soon as I looked, I literally saw market on this candle, this green candle right there, and I saw this market structure, and I thought, oh, okay, this looks like a channel because I mostly trade channels on the technical side of things, and I spotted this candle which looked like it was going to break the trend. So I kept an eye on it and market closed here. So when it closed here, I was like, okay, that's my confirmation the market has broken the channel. And what I usually do is I don't enter in a candle that breaks, obviously. I usually now wait for the next candle, but I don't necessarily enter the next candle. I just watch how market plays out because I look for a trade that basically puts you, that gets you into the market somewhere around the the mid region of the candle that broke the channel, because most of the time market actually comes somewhere around the mid area. It's not exact, not always the specifically midsection. Sometimes it's slightly below the midsection, sometimes it's slightly above the midsection. So I would say in the region, somewhere in the middle of the mid area of the candle that broke the market. So I look for a trade there. So after market this closed and this candle started, I basically now put a line around the midsection of this candle and waited for this candle to hit that line. When I saw this candle hit that line, then I entered a trade using IC markets, and I'm on a 1 to 100 leverage there. And obviously, you now need to look for where markets will find resistance or possibly find resistance, which is obvious in this channel, which is around here. So around 126,515, that is where I will be taking my exit. It could possibly linger around here, calm down a bit, and go back up. I don't know, but I like to play it safe and just get out at the first possible opportunities. What some people do like to do is just collect a partial profit around the first area of exit and see, and then ride with the second, the remaining part of their profit to the next level, which could be here, which is around here, or it could be here or further on. But then it might not work in your favor, and the remaining trade that they didn't close could just come back down, and they just close it, maybe at break even or even slightly in the negative. But at least it would be covered by the profit that they had already closed around this here. So it's really up to you how you want to trade. This is how I trade. I try to collect all my profit really at the first exit area. And I am going to post this video as soon as it finishes recording, which is not a long time from here. And I will not be editing it because I am using TradingView recording system. So as soon as I post a video, I have the option whether to post it on my YouTube or not, which I will do, and it will automatically post a video there, which does not allow me editing. But I suppose I could go on YouTube and edit it. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm just focused on my trade, to be honest. So by the time I post this video, you will get to see it in enough time and decide whether this is a trade you want to get into. It's really up to you. But this is my trade for the day. I will not be making any other trades if this trade works in my favor. Some people, I know you'll be wondering about where you might exit. I don't usually set a stop loss, but if you want to set a stop loss, it's totally up to you, because as you can see, this area is also highlighted as a new channel that's forming, which has not finished forming. So if for some reason this trade doesn't work out, the market comes down, if it breaks this channel, and by breaking this channel for me it will be if it closes, the candle closes below this line. If that happens, that's really where you want to exit, basically. But I guess that could not cover spikes down, I suppose. So it's up to you how you want to take this trade. However, this is how I'm taking this trade. I could exit here, I suppose. Mm, yeah, I could exit here if I wanted to, but we'll see how this trade works out. But at the moment, I don't have a stop loss set, but I would advise you to set one, and because I'm more of a risky trader, so just don't follow my footsteps, but trade safely. This is how I trade, and I'm just gonna wait to see what happens in the market. At the moment, obviously, market came further down. Sometimes it comes all the way here and even here, so we will see. So hopefully, if you see this, you can get in even earlier in the trade than I did. But as far as I'm concerned, this channel is pretty much ready to pop, in my opinion. So it's up to you if you want to trade with me. But if you trade with me, be careful, trade at your own risk and manage your risk to reward, and trade responsibly and with a reasonable lot size in comparison to your account size. Okay? Thank you for watching.